Welcome to our in-depth car parts series. Today, we're diving deep into the engine, often referred to as the heart of your car. The engine is a marvel of engineering that transforms chemical energy from fuel into mechanical energy, propelling your vehicle forward. At its core, the engine operates on a simple principle: controlled explosions. These explosions occur in chambers called cylinders. Most cars have 4, 6, or 8 cylinders, but some high-performance vehicles can have more. Inside each cylinder is a piston that moves up and down. The process starts when fuel, usually gasoline or diesel, is mixed with air and injected into the cylinder. This mixture is then compressed by the piston moving upward. At just the right moment, a spark plug creates a tiny spark, igniting the compressed fuel-air mixture. This ignition causes a small explosion, forcing the piston back down. This up and down motion of the pistons is converted into rotational motion by a crankshaft. Think of it like the way your legs move up and down on a bicycle, turning the pedals to make the wheels spin. The crankshaft's rotation is what ultimately powers your car's wheels. But there's much more to an engine than just pistons and spark plugs. The camshaft controls the opening and closing of valves that let the fuel-air mixture in and the exhaust gases out. The timing belt or chain ensures all these parts move in perfect synchronization. Modern engines also include sophisticated electronic control systems. These computers optimize fuel injection, ignition timing, and other parameters to maximize performance and fuel efficiency while minimizing emissions. Engines come in various configurations. Inline engines have all cylinders in a straight line, while V engines have cylinders arranged in a V shape. Some high-performance cars use flat engines, where cylinders are laid out horizontally. The size of an engine, often measured in liters or cubic centimeters, indicates its total cylinder volume. Generally, larger engines produce more power but consume more fuel. However, advances in technology have allowed smaller engines to produce impressive power through techniques like turbocharging and direct injection. Maintaining your engine is crucial for your car's longevity. Regular oil changes lubricate the moving parts and prevent wear. The air filter should be replaced periodically to ensure clean air reaches the engine. Spark plugs need occasional replacement to maintain efficient combustion. As we move towards a more environmentally conscious future, engine technology is evolving. Hybrid engines combine gasoline engines with electric motors for improved efficiency. Fully electric vehicles are becoming more common, using large battery packs and electric motors instead of traditional combustion engines. Understanding your car's engine helps you appreciate the complexity of your vehicle and the importance of proper maintenance. It's a testament to human engineering, a complex machine that turns simple fuel into the power that moves us down the road.